Broadsides.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jessica Hebert. This is Christian Lipski. We are 2/3 of the nerdy pop folk band, the PDX Broadsides. We ran a sci music panel, and Marcy invited us to come sing a science-based song, though we are totally writing fertilization fairy tale now. Thank you, Lisa. That's brilliant. So we thought we would share a song for you about the perspective of Schrodinger's cat. Sometimes I think my life is crap. I wanna curl up in someone's lap. I don't wanna be a paradox when I can sleep all day and poop in a box. Am I alive or am I dead? Is this the reason I've been bred? Either way can be said. I'm still here, forever alive and always dead. If you look, it's on your head, a quantum paradox of dread, and yet I'm still here. If I were Bucky Fuller's cat, I'd sleep in a dome and I'd be cool with that. Nikola Tesla would scratch my ears and not try to run me through with amperes. Am I alive or am I dead? Is this the reason I've been bred? Either way can be said. I'm still here, forever alive and always dead. If you look, it's on your head, a quantum paradox of dread, and yet I'm still here. Spooky action at a distance does not excuse this poor existence. Isaac Newton was totally whack, but he would still have probably had my back. Am I alive or am I dead? Is this the reason I've been bred? Either way can be said. I'm still here, forever alive and always dead. If you look, it's on your head, a quantum paradox of dread, and yet I'm still here. I'm more than just an adage, I'm more than just a riddle. Life is all a box and this kitty's in the middle. I'm more than just an adage, I'm more than just a riddle. Life is all a box and this kitty's in the middle. Nobel would let me see the light, and I would say that is dynamite. You might say that it's an exercise to constantly question my demise. Am I alive or am I dead? Is this the reason I've been bred? Either way can be said. I'm still here, forever alive and always dead. If you look, it's on your head, a quantum paradox of dread, and yet I'm still here. Now that I've been locked inside, I've no friend but this cyanide. As I watch atomic decay, I would rather you had me spayed. Am I alive or am I dead? Is this the reason I've been bred? Either way can be said. I'm still here.
I'm still here.
Forever alive and always dead. If you look, it's on your head, a quantum paradox of dread, and yet I'm still here.
Don't open the box.
I'm still here.
It's dark in here.
I'm still here.
Some food would be
Shut
nice.
up. I'm still here.
Or am I?
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for inviting us to do that. Super fun. We're pdxbroadsides.com, and we're happy to make science music at you and for you anytime.